Guys, we're just doing a quick video on our new K20 thermostat housing we've made. If you have any questions at the end of the video, just ask, and this is basically what it does.
So this is our new thermostat housing. We literally just collected them from the machine shop the other day, so they're literally fresh out the gate. As you can see, it's a full billet design. It's made in the UK, and we source our thermostats from Japan, so they're really high quality. The other thing you'll notice is this is the only thermostat on the market that has the original dual plunger design like Honda have on the cars originally. So basically what this does is when the thermostat starts opening, it blocks off the thermostat bypass circuit, preventing the flow from bypassing the radiator. So basically what that does increases the efficiency of the cooling system. Without that, you're basically reducing the efficiency. You'd have to run a larger radiator to make up for the difference, but with ours it's going to function exactly like Honda intended. So yeah, we've got that. We've got the original seals. We can run either a high flow 32mm connection or an AN16, and we've got a port at the top for M22 fan switches. So if you're running K-swaps where you've not got the fitting on the radiator, you can fit one there. Makes it nice and easy. It's also high flow through the middle as well. So other versions on the market that we've seen reduce that down to like 20mm, which is really small. So yeah, this is it. It's a swivel design, so you can rotate it and position it in any direction. So this will fit any K-swap cars. It's K20 only at the minute. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Really nice design, nice and clean. We laser scanned in the original part that this fitted to, so all the edges here line up absolutely perfectly. So when you know, if you guys get one, you fit it up, just have a feel with it, and it just fits and looks amazing. So yeah, fantastic bit of kit, and we can't wait to get them out there.